Using this as a monitor and TV. Picked up on my Samsung soundbar immediately. Able to connect, wireless, from my Surface Book 3 and see it as an external monitor in 4K. Downloaded PowerToys from Windows and set it up with fancy zones so it looks like the equivalent of 6 separate screens and you can lay the grid out however you like. Originally ordered a 65 inches curved screen but it arrived with some issues and I had to return it. Really wanted another curved screen but they were out of stock so I settled, so I thought, for the flat 65. This thing is a third of the weight, about a quarter of the thickness, and the screen is beautiful. Actually glad the other screen had the issues or I would never have ordered this model that I like so much better. Only issue I had was that when the delivery guys opened the door on the truck, the TV was laying over on top of some other boxes in the delivery truck with none of the other items in the truck secured in any way. I was advised that it had just fell over between this stop and the last. The guys were trying to pick it up from one end and there was a very noticeable amount of flex due to the way they were trying to maneuver it. I get it, I've worked delivery. These guys just wanted it off their truck so they could get to the next stop. That being said, when I work delivery, I would never have let the customer see me handling something they just paid over $850 for in the manner they were. I voiced my concerns and was told, "It's okay, if it's damaged you can just return it." Come on, guys, at least act like you care about the item you're delivering. Love the TV. Great pictures and apps. Do recommend a soundbar. Arrived today and the color is spectacular. Features and apps are non-stop. This is the best TV out behind Samsung's QLED series. The display's pigmentation is unmatched! Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Initial experience is below. Beware of shipping, but luckily Amazon has a great return policy. They got my replacement TV to me in 3 days and it's perfect. Only not 5 stars because it came damaged, with the TV screen cracked. If the TV comes how it's supposed to and it has good quality I'll fix this review, but until then I'm very dissatisfied. We purchased this TV last week, and it came in a day early. It arrived at 6:15 a.m., meaning someone was home, which is great. It's very slim and sleek. Click link in description for more reviews.